So let's start. We are going to see chart 5048 HSA dipping of light. This is from April 2014 paper at 812 hours, 0812 hours. Hooke's headlight was this position bearing 292 degrees compass, and Koniberg light was bearing 170 degrees compass. When she was 182 degrees true, she was steering 182 degrees true at 9 knots, and current was setting 250 degrees true into 3 knots. And maintaining the same course and speed, Hooke's headlight was dipping at 1014 hours. We have to find the compass error and position of the ship at both times. Height of eye is 12, leeway is 8 degrees, variation is 7 degrees west as per aviation card 4. So we plot the geographical range. Whenever there is rising and dipping of light, we always use the geographical range. And for safety, we compare with the luminous range, but we always use the geographical range because you can see in the video of geographical range and luminous range. So 2.095 is the formula in bracket height of I under root plus under root of your this height of the lighthouse. So the height of the lighthouse we get from this book chart, that is 46 meters, and height of I is given 12 meters. So beyond this we get the geographical range as 21.46 miles. And then we calculate the horizontal sextant angle between the bearings, that is first bearing and the second bearing, because we have compass bearings and we don't so we get the we plot the horizontal sextant angle, and since the angle is more than 90, that is here it is 122, so we do theta minus 90 and get 32. So we plot the horizontal sextant angle on the land side. This is actually a rough plot, so it's a little bit wrong. You see in the actual plot, and wherever you get the center, from the center we will draw the course to steer 182 9 miles for 1 hour, or you can draw for 3 hours. So I have drawn for 1 hour, and from here we put the set 250 into 3 miles for 1 hour. We get the course made good. We extend the course made good for 3 hours, 12 minutes, 0812 to 1014. We get the estimated position. So now this, after getting the, so from horizontal section angle, we got one position circle, and by geographical range, we got one position circle. So we have to just, now it becomes transfer of position circles. We put course to steer current and get the EP. From the EP, we transfer this position circle and we get 1014 position. So let's see how do we solve. So don't forget to like, subscribe. So let's see how we do it on the chart. We are given horizontal section. So we are back on chart 5048, where we have this Hooke's Head and Koniberg lighthouse, and we are given horizontal sextant angle 32 degrees. So we can see that we have joined this line and we have plotted 32 degrees, and we got this center. We have, because the angle was more than 90, so theta minus 90, and this is our land side, so we have plotted opposite to the land side, and this is the center. From this we will make the circle, and then from the center of the circle we will draw the course. So from the center of the circle we have plotted the course 182 for 9 miles. We are just plotting a 1 hour triangle, and then 250 into 3 miles the current to get the course made good. So we got the course made good, and we have extended the course made good to a point So how much the ship will run? We have time from 0812 to 1014, 3 hours 12 minutes. So for 9 knots, 3 hours 12 minutes, the vessel will run 28.8 minutes. So from this center, the vessel will run 28.8 miles to get the estimated position. This is our estimated position EP at 1014 if the vessel was assumed to be running from this center. Now you can see from Hook's Head we have drawn, this is Hook's Head, and from here we have drawn an arc of 21.46 miles. That is our position circle or the range circle of Hook's Head. So the range of 21.48 we saw in the calculations how we took. Now we have to transfer the position circle from this Hook's Head center line. So from here we take this, and from the EP we transfer this, and we get this vessel's position. So we measure this fix, which you can see from here, 5146.4 north and 007 4.5 west. So basically what we did is nothing. We have one position circle from this HSA, and we have the center of this circle, and we have second position circle from this geographical range, and it's done. Now after geographical range it becomes simple transferring of position circles. From the center of the circle we put course and current, and we have the course made good. We put the run to get the EP of 104. From this EP we transfer the first position circle for this 28.8 miles, and wherever it cuts, that is our fix. Simple. Then to get the 0812 fix, we transfer the course made good from this line for the same distance, that is 28.8, and wherever it cuts this position circle of this distance, so this position circle wherever it cuts, that is our 0812 fix. So this is our 0812 fix, and the position we can see is here, 006 degrees 49.6 west and 52 degrees 13.7 north. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. So guys, I just forgot to apply leeway in this question. So when you are doing, please apply the leeway, and thank you for the mistake. So you can do without the leeway. So just to compare the answer, you will get the same answer. Thank you. And any doubts you have, please contact us. Feel free. Thank you.